In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a professional and effective Net Promoter Score metric layout block within your Typeform project. This specific metric is incredibly valuable for measuring customer loyalty and satisfaction, so setting it up correctly is essential for gathering the best possible data. To begin this simple process, you will first need to look at the left-hand panel of your screen where your current question sequence layout list is displayed. Locate the large plus icon labeled as the Add New Question button and give it a click to open up your options. Once the question type menu appears, you can either scroll manually through the available choices or use the built-in search bar to quickly find the Net Promoter Score option. After you have selected the appropriate metric, the next step takes place in the center workspace canvas. This is where you will type your main question text directly. A classic example would be asking how likely your customers are to recommend your service or product to a friend or colleague. You want this question to be clear and direct so that respondents understand exactly what you are asking. After you have finalized the wording of your question, look over to the right side of your screen. This is where you will find the question settings panel. This area allows you to fully customize your layout parameters to match your branding or specific survey needs. You can toggle different settings here to ensure the visual presentation is exactly how you want it to appear for your audience. By following these straightforward steps, you can create a high-quality, interactive Net Promoter Score block that looks great and functions perfectly within your form. It only takes a few moments to set up, but provides deep insights into your customer base levels. Keep refining your design until it feels just right for your unique brand voice.